Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Royal, and in today's video, as you can see, we are doing a very simple, sleek, elegant, beautiful, stunning hairstyle, and really easy as well. Before anything, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So first off, as always, we're going to start with parting our hair like so. For this hairstyle, my hair is actually relaxed. I'm going to part my hair in two parts. I'm going to comb it and take my brush and brush it so it stays really slicked in. So I'm just going to use something to just tie my hair. This is some strap of kinky that I used, and you can use a small kinky or just any hair tool of your choice to just attach it at the end so it can look bubbly and give you what you want. Then I'm going to use my petals gel. I'm just going to apply it this way. Just apply it smoothly. Make sure it's touched in properly. I'm applying it all around. I love to use petals gel because of its sheen look. It is really beautiful. It gives your hair really dark black, beautiful, sleek, slayed in finishing. So make sure you apply it all around, your edges, and don't forget the back as well. So I'm going to use my comb to just comb it like so. Make sure it stays really slicked and properly laid. Very important, guys, trust me. And then don't forget the back as well. You comb the back. So this is a kinky that I've had for a while now. So for this hairstyle, I just had to use a small strand of kinky, tie it like so, repeat it, and then I'm going to tie it like so, just attach it to your hair. Tie it the first time, then you tie it again for the second time, and just make sure you keep tying it until it feels firm and attached to your hair. So you just have to keep doing this process until you know that it is stuck with your hair, like it's really attached, and then you're tying it firmly so it stays with your hair. Okay, after you're done with tying it, you just have to divide it in two parts, and then you toggle it like so, and then make sure it stays in properly, to be honest, because this process is very important, because it just helps you, it determines the direction of how the hair is going to turn out and how beautiful it's going to end up. I had to create a very simple board. You can actually leave it this way if you want, but for me, I am not going to. So I have another strand of kinky hair that I just picked and kept aside for this hairstyle. So I'm just going to remove one strand, expand it, finish it, make sure it's as though it's new. That's one thing I love about kinky hair. And then you just have to keep wrapping it so it has a beautiful finishing. Now this is the first one. We'll have to do this for like 5 more times so it can give us a very beautiful desired outcome. Okay, so you take another strand of kinky hair and then you wrap it, finish it. Just make sure it comes out really beautiful. As you can see what I'm doing, take your time while doing this. It's very important because it determines how it eventually turns out. You take another hair, you repeat the same thing. You just have to keep doing it until you get the desired bun that you want. For me, I was really going for something big. I wanted it to be huge. I wanted it to make a statement per se. As soon as you're done, you brush it, because the more you're winging it, the more you are wrapping it with kinky, the more it's going to be feeling very tightened. So you just have to do that and also do the finishing as well. I am not yet satisfied with how it was going. So I just have to keep rolling and going, rolling and going, rolling and going. This hairstyle was a very simple, peaceful, easy one. As you can see, I have a bobby pin. I needed to apply a bobby pin because the more you apply, the more it kind of feels more big. I use the bobby pin so it feels firm, but you have to be careful so it doesn't hurt you, okay? So you just have to keep doing this process until you're satisfied with your desired outcome. For me, I wasn't done yet. I needed to keep applying hair until I had a desired volume, how big I wanted the hair to be. So from here it started making sense to me because okay, it's coming out really beautifully. Yeah, so I just had to keep rolling and going, rolling and going. As you can see, the more I added, the more the beauty came out, the more professional it became. But you can stop anywhere you want. I loved the whole bridal feel it gave me. Anytime I had this hair out, people would always compliment me and be like, oh my god, Royal, your hair is so beautiful. Oh my god, you did make this yourself. And of course I did. Go check me out on YouTube. Next up to my favorite parts, styling your edges. Usually I would use an edge control, but my hair was relaxed here, so I had to use the petals for styling my edges, by the way. My hair sheen oil, you'd use this, you style it, and then you just apply the hair all over. It just does the finishing for me. It's really beautiful. It does the finishing, and it just just look at how beautiful it came out. Look at how stunning it looks. Very professional, simple, easy, sleek hairstyle. Now look at this. I mean, wouldn't you want to rock with this hairstyle? It is so simple. It is very professional, and I promise you this hairstyle took me only 25 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. So this is perfect for dates, for professional photo shoots. A really simple, easy go-to sleek hairstyle, and I would highly recommend. So let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle. Let me know your favorite thing about this look also. Let me know one thing that you love about this look, and if you're making this, what twist are you going to add to yours? Rate this hair in the comment section from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, take care, bye bye, and mwah!